in this video. The Bitcoin price is currently hanging by a thread, and of course, this will affect the whole crypto market. That's why you need to watch this video. But on top of that, we are going to talk about different altcoins such as Solana, Cardano, and AXIE and understand which should you invest and which should you buy. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So let's look into the Bitcoin short term first. So let's look at the hourly time frame. So alam ko kanina umaga, nagbigay tayo ng signal na meron tayong increasing price and then declining RSI, indicating that that was a trend reversal to the downside. So look at that. We saw that exactly as predicted dito happening. So yeah, we saw that downtrend, and right now I don't think it's a good time to enter into any trades ngayon, not unless magkaroon tayo ng bagong indicator. So right now, I think na the best thing to do is to wait for another indicator to form. Ako previously, nag-enter ako ng long position dito, pero the moment na nag-candle close siya and nakita ko na nag-decline yung RSI, nag-close na ako ng aking position na makikita nyo sa Bingbon. So guys, if gusto nyo mag-copy trade sa aking mga trades na ginagawa ko, you could actually follow me in Bingbon. So in Bingbon, you can just search for my name, Tristan Bal, which will give you this account. And then dito pwede ka sumali sa aking trade. All you have to do is follow me. So makikita nyo actually itong account dito sa description down below. So kung gusto nyo i-follow yung mga trades ko, yeah, you could copy my trade with Bingbon. So if you want to get up to $120 of bonus in Bingbon, just use my sign up link na makita mo dyan sa baba. So yeah, right now, wala pa akong trade ngayon dito kay Bitcoin kasi nag-exit ako dyan dahil nakita ko ngayon bearish divergence. But yeah, that is for the short term only. But ano ba yung magiging next move dito ni Bitcoin? Well, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Kasi I think the 4-hour time frame is actually giving us another hint kung ano yung ba yung possible move niya. So let's reset the chart and show you this movement. Kasi di ba previously, nagkaroon tayo ng falling channel. So ayun na, may falling channel tayo. Nag-break tayo to the upside. However, ang technical target natin for this falling channel is this top of the channel. Pero sabi natin, in order to confirm the move, kailangan natin ng significant volume. However, the buy volume isn't significant during this breakout. So indicating na pwede tayo makita na resistance at the $49,000 level. So doon nga tayo nag-resist. At ang sabi natin, in order to continue the move to 50.5K, kailangan natin ng 4-hour candle close above the $49,000 resistance. And right now, we didn't have any candle close above this resistance. So that would more likely mean that we are still getting resisted by this area. So yeah, right now, I highly suggest na you need to wait out for this. Kailangan muna natin ng 4-hour candle close above this. Kasi kung doon tayo nakita ng 4-hour candle close, then doon tayo tuloy-tuloy to this $50,000 area. So sa ngayon, wala pa tayong candle close above that area. And let's look at another bigger time frame kasi this is another thing na you should be watching out for. And as you could recall, di ba meron tayong rising wedge? Marami ako nakakuha message nagtatanong kung valid pa ba yung rising wedge natin. Yes, valid pa. Kasi if we're going to look at this rising wedge, we are forming this wedge pattern. Nag-breakout tayo and then right now we are actually having this retest dito sa ating wedge ulit. So, it's either na ma-reject tayo dito at bumaba to the downside and ma-hit natin siguro. First, iti-test muna natin yung 47 or $46,000 level. So, 46.9K to be exact. Yun yung pinaka-okay na level to watch out for dito. And if na-break natin yung 46 to $47,000, then $44,000 is our next target. And of course, ang technical target talaga nitong wedge is the $38,000. So, right now, we are actually hanging by a thread dito kay Bitcoin price. Kasi if we get this daily candle close below this resistance, then yeah, possible na mag-breakdown tayo kay Bitcoin. Pero right now, wala pa tayong sell volume na para magsabi na we are rapidly declining. So, expect some major support at certain areas, either the 46 to 47,000 or 44K. Also, worth noting din yung RSI niya. Kasi, di ba sa RSI niya, nag-form tayo dito ng wedge dito sa pattern na to. So, you could actually see na nag-breakdown tayo dito sa wedge and then right now, tinetest natin yung wedge and then we are actually breaking down from this wedge nitong makita mo sa RSI. Pero on top of that wedge, nagpo-form din tayo ng bearish divergence. And take note, an increasing price with a declining RSI, that is a trend reversal to the downside. So right now, the Bitcoin price is actually giving us a lot of hints dito sa daily time frame. So if you really want to follow Bitcoin, I highly suggest na you need to watch out for this bigger time frame. On top of that, you would also notice na this same area kung saan tayo nagre-resist, dyan din tayo nakuha ng resistance nun dito kay Bitcoin price. But also, at the same time, dyan din tayo nakuha ng support. So, indicating na this structure na nag-form ngayon kay Bitcoin price is actually telling us na we have to break this resistance in order to flip bullish. So, right now, inalay nakikita nating resistance bago makapunta ng all-time high. So, kailangan natin siya ma-break in order to say na patuloy-tuloy na tayo kay Bitcoin price. So, right now, di pa natin siya na-break. But, yeah, I highly suggest na you need to wait for this one out to play out instead na, kasi alam ko marami na sa inyo magpapasok na kagad ng trade. So, if you want to enter a trade talaga, I highly suggest na follow dollar cost average. Pero right now, the best thing to do is to be patient and just set your buy orders at certain areas just in case na bigla siya mag-dip. So, I don't think na this is a good selling opportunity na gantong kalaking move kasi wala pa tayong confirmation, especially dito sa volume. And of course, wala ding buy volume na nagaganap. So, this would indicate na we are somehow forming an imminent move either to the upside or to the downside. Pero these indicators are all forming bearish right now. So, who knows? Malay mo sa September, this might actually lead to a September red month. So, this is why it's very important to follow the daily time frame in the coming days. So, that's for the Bitcoin price. And let's move on to altcoins naman kasi meron tayong tatlong altcoins nakita natin na nag-perform na malakas dito sa market. And that is Cardano, Solana, and AXIE. So, Cardano has actually pumped dito sa ating price action. So, makita mo umakit tayo dito as if with a significant move of roughly 190% or roughly 200% dito in just a matter of 1 month. Nakita mo na ganyang kalaki yung tinaas natin kay Cardano. And pretty much the same din nakita natin kay Solana kasi kay Solana, we actually went 300% naman higher. So, that's 100% higher than Cardano. And right now, kay AXIE, wala pa tayong nakikita na breakout dito sa current price action natin. But, ano ba yung magandang i-worth noting dito? Well, ang maganda i-worth note dito is yung kanyang structure. Kasi if you're going to look at the structure of these 3 coins na may malalakas na pump, you would actually notice na they have this habit of consolidating. So, ayun na makita mo may consolidation dyan kay Cardano. And every time na nag-break tayo ng consolidation, doon tayo nakita ng pump. Same goes with Solana. So, for Solana, nakita din tayo ng the same movement, nagkaroon ng consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, and then another consolidation, such as yung nangyari din ngayon. So, this is showing us na yung mga best coins to invest are yung may mga very long consolidation. Yung mga coins na madalas yung binibiro na hindi naman siya market, stable coin lang siya. Pero ang ganda-ganda ng project at ang laki ng market cap. So, ba't ako mag-invest dyan kung hindi ako nakakuha ng return? Well, yun yung wrong idea doon. Kasi, ang tamang idea sa pagtitingin ng gantong price action is, usually, mga ganyang movement, dyan, nag-enter yung mga tao dito sa market na yan. Usually kasi, mga nafo-FOMO, dito na pumapasok. Dyan sa uhuli na yan. And if you're going to look at this, yung mga tao na nagpapasok dito sa kanyang consolidation area has the most to gains kasi yan, considering that move na nakuha ka dun roughly 300%, pag nag-chase ka ng pump, tinan mo ilang percent makukuha mo. That's just 50%. So, if I were you, ang best thing to look for coins is yung mga coins na may mga consolidating area. Such as for Solana na tapos na, and for Cardano na tapos na din. So, ano ba yung isang example ngayon na pwede natin tingnan? Well, I think that is AXIE right now. Kasi, look at this. AXIE has been relatively moving sideways with this latest price action natin. So, I think this is somehow forming to be a good structure right now for AXIE. So, if you're going to look at this, if you break this, possible tayo mag-pump. And yeah, following Solana and Cardano, AXIE also has this habit of pumping after a very long consolidation. So right now, I think yun yung maganda tingnan ngayon dito sa mga coins na katulad nito. Yung mga kanyang healthy consolidation na nakita tayo ng pump, doon tayo dapat usually nag-i-invest sa mga coins na pretty much moving sideways at hindi nagde-decline further. So yun yung mga ganong movement na nanggagaling dito sa consolidation area, those are the coins na mas magandang pasukan. So right now, I think, personal opinion ko lang to, I think AXIE is right now forming this very good structure for the coming term. So, I think siguro maglalagay ako ng pera dito na siguro for investment. Kasi look at that. Historical data ang basis natin kaya tayo nakita ng pump. So, if ganun yung sinasabi ng historical data niya, then siguro let's try to test this one out at tingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari dyan sa AXIE in the coming days. Especially if ma-break natin itong resistance na nag-form sa kanyang consolidation ng area. So will this follow Solana and Cardano? That's a thing na we have to follow in the coming days after Axie Infinity breaks this resistance. So of course, dependent pa din siya sa price action ni Bitcoin. Makita tayo ng pump as long as Bitcoin is healthy and consolidating. So before you enter into these different coins, I highly suggest na you need to watch out first for Bitcoin before entering into any altcoins. So ayun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.